So here's the engine update. Years ago, I ported some swirl port heads that were from the 87 Blazer. And I took them to the machine shop and had them, machine shop go through them. So I took off the Vortec heads that were on here, because when I poured them, unknowing to me, they wouldn't operate the computer. There was not enough vacuum to operate the computer for the 87 Blazer, so they've been sitting on a shelf in my shop for 5 years, 6 years, I don't know, forever. So it's been bugging me all this time to see how, if I did a good job porting them or not. So I took out the Vortec heads off this engine, put those swirl port heads on here, and Friday night is the drags, and I'll have the time slips to compare how good of a job or how crappy job I did. But car runs totally different, completely different. It's just, I'm not saying better or worse, it's just different. And I'll let the numbers prove it, but that's my update, engine update, and we'll see what happens Friday night. Okay. Okay, you're all up to date, so stay tuned for more.